So if all of the help in the Katy Jobbins Masterclass does not completely transform your permanent makeup business, I will literally eat my own hat. But what I have done is I have removed all of the risk for you, because I absolutely know that this stuff works. So if you don't get double your money back in the next 12 months after using all of this stuff and follow my direction and implementing all of these foolproof methods, then you will get 100% of your investment back. But my money is on you that with my help you are going to nail it. Anyway, I'm going to let you in to my biggest secret yet, and that is that there is no big secret. There's only lots of tiny little secrets, and I'm going to share all of them with you in this masterclass series. So whatever your dream permanent makeup business looks like, I know that you too can get there, but you have to be willing to do the preparation work that is involved, and there is no back doors to success. There's no free rides. There's just literally you, my help, this moment, and your choice. So the offer is not going to be around for very long, because I only enroll a small amount of people each month, and once the opportunity is gone, it's gone. So do it now, or you'll be annoyed with yourself a year from now when it hasn't got any easier and you're not working on your dream clients or running your dream permanent makeup business. There is nothing to lose with my personal money back guarantee. Literally my only rule is that you follow what I say to create an incredible permanent makeup business for yourself and your family. So in order to make this masterclass work, there's a few things you're going to need. So you're going to need the discipline to follow my methods and get these results. You're going to need the ability to master the valuable knowledge that's contained inside of this masterclass. You need a good healthy dose of determination, and you will also need passion to make the positive impact on every permanent makeup client that you'll ever work on. And I'm saying this to you because I believe that although this Katy Jobbins Masterclass is one of the most powerful tools for navigating the minefield that is the permanent makeup industry and earning an incredible living and giving back to others, you're the one that's in the driving seat, and I'm informing you of this simply so that you don't fall asleep at the wheel and that you keep focus on your own vision every single step of the way. So keep in touch, because I love a success story.
Oh, it's fantastic. It's a must actually to keep up to date with training and with new techniques.
Yeah.
And Kate just has this knack of simplifying everything, making it, well, not look like rocket science, but you know, if you've got an artistic skill and an eye for colour, then pretty much anybody can do this kind of work, and she's so professional, puts you at your ease.
Excellent. So, because obviously you've had the advantage of training somewhere else before initially, and then obviously seeing Kate's techniques. So how would you say the training styles vary?
Well, I think this one is much more down to earth. For laymen, really good. Kate's simple. She really does. It's called the KISS method. Keep it simple, stupid.
Yeah.
And sometimes you can be baffled by science. I know you certainly need. Kate still covers all of the things like your health and safety.
Yeah.
You know, your hygiene, but she simplifies it.
Yeah.
And doesn't make it feel so daunting.
Yeah. Because has that been an issue in the past, like when you've been doing treatments, once you obviously did your initial training beforehand?
I think so. It can always intimidate you to such a degree that you're actually frightened to work alone. It's a bit like when you take your driving test and you first, you pass and you get behind that wheel and you've got nobody with you. You suddenly think, can't do this. They fire so much at you, and their manuals as well are so... Yeah, they're really, really hard to understand. Where Kate's manual is very simplified, very, contemporary, modern. But I think the art that Kate has in it is just simply keeping it very natural, very soft, very gentle, giving you confidence, making you feel that you can actually do it. She drew on one of the dummies this morning and said, right, this is how we're going to train to draw the eyebrow. Now you watch me and you draw it. And I actually couldn't believe that I mirror imaged her work. And we even got the calipers out and measured it afterwards, and it was completely as if I'd traced it by the way she taught me.
Wow.
And that was just a one-off, and I got it 110% right the first go.
Brilliant.
And that is amazing, because that's the biggest scary factor, I think, to get that right before you even start. So
So as a bonus for purchasing the Katy Jobbins Permanent Makeup Masterclass, I have included 40 videos on how to, just the things that make the difference when it comes to attracting clients, to creating a business in permanent makeup. Because once you've learned how to do the skill, you're then going to need all these amazing hints and tips that I've picked up along the way of how to attract as many clients as possible and then turn them into raving fans so that they go and get all of their friends and their family and get them to come and have permanent makeup with you as well. And that is by far the fastest way of growing your permanent makeup business.